3354 Dandolo Circle. So this is in the gated community of Bella Vida. This property has accordion hurricane shutters, tile roof, tile and LVT inside, no carpet. AC unit is 4 years old with a Wi-Fi thermostat, all the upgraded technology. So when you walk in, you've got the nice 8-foot sliders with the lake view. Tile is on the diagonal. This area here sometimes is a sitting area, could be a formal dining table, an office area. That goes back to a half bath, the laundry room into the garage, then upstairs to the 3 bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. This is set up an alcove for your TV. Wooden cabinetry with crown molding, tile backsplash, granite counters. These could easily be painted because they are solid wood. Stainless appliances. You have another set of 8-foot sliders here from your kitchen area. Now this has got a light. You could have a dining table here. You got the window here. Beautiful lake view. Storage closet out here on your lanai also. So sometimes in this area there's a portable island. A lot of different options that you could have here. But it does have a nice big walk-in pantry. The townhomes offer a lot of square footage. Let's go upstairs and take a look. I'll shut the door. This cute little half bath. Washer and dryer. And the 1-car garage. Newer hot water heater also. Okay, let's go take a look upstairs. This is the lowest priced townhome in the community. We have a motivated seller, and it is ready for you. We are pet friendly. You can have 2 pets here. So this is flex space, den, office, kids' playroom. It doesn't have a door, but it could easily have a door if you wanted it to. Another seating area, TV room, mechanical closet for the AC. This is the guest bath here. Tub shower combo with tile. Linen closet. This is your primary with an ensuite and window out to the lake view. Again, accordion shutters for the hurricane protection. LVT flooring. These double closets here, plus a walk-in closet. And a shower plus soaking tub. Another window looking out to the lake. Double vanities. Tile shower all the way to the ceiling. And 2 more bedrooms. So the closets are a little deeper. Gives you some room to add some additional organization if you would choose. These are great rentals for investment. They are A lot of owner occupied. The community, of course, has got the pickleball, tennis courts, pool, clubhouse, gym. We've got the nice outdoor area. Got a spigot, you got a plug-in, ceiling fan. So this is a nice big area. Seating area plus a table, plenty of room. And there's the storage closet. A lot of tile left. Priced at $239. HOA fees are very inexpensive at $419 a month. With the price reduction, this has generated a lot of activity in the last 2 days, so please give me a call if you have any interest.